Let's double check once again that Celestia. Do Celestia get a chance to recover back? Technically, I still believe just like speculation. So the craziest target for me for Celestia it's still $11 or 12. It's a high of this made somewhere before. This one, maybe not, maybe lower. Maybe this token will be delisted. We can't know. Technically, of course, if we will see some major altcoin season when the BTC dominance will be under maybe 50%, even the Celestia will pump. Just yesterday, just in the last few days, that Tensor pumped at 900%, so almost 1,000 without any reason. So technically here was some accumulation by whales, but keep in mind, guys, the whales also lose the money. So today one guy bought the pump token around 5 million, and today he cut losses and lost 1.5 million. So if the whales accumulate, it's a good sign, but it's not like a guarantee. So this token will pump. So just in case, this is a monthly time frame, guys, and this is one more example. So never fall in love in any token. I would like to show you the data. Take a look. If the Celestia is so good, it's the question for all of this moon boys and the fun boys. If Celestia protocol is so good, if it's a future, if it's a Solana killer, like you love to say, why just daily there's just 50 users? So this is a 50 active users who use this protocol, Celestia daily active users. So it's kind of weird, right? It's kind of weird. How it even possible? So if Celestia is so good, Celestia data will build transactions. The number of block posting actions on data will build a solution. So how it even possible? So December 23, it was like transactions 500K, December 23. Around here, and now it's going down. Oh, it's kind of weird. It's absolutely, guys, mind-blowing. By the way, I remind you, Celestia raised 55 million in October 2022. And finally, the main purpose, maybe you didn't know, but the main purpose of the whales and the funds, it's making money at the end. So they raised 55 million, not because they want to invest in some technology. They want to invest in some project, marketing, pump the token, dump the token, take a profit. By the way, here's unlocks. So this is in November, and there will be more tokens in circular supply. Highly recommend you go and check this one, Tia, if you forgot about it. So the entries, keep in mind here, 55 million raised it, October 2022, round series A and B. Go into fundraising rounds. Series A and B. This one and this one. These guys already in losses. If they not sold, of course they sold already. I guess they in loss of 38%. And that guys who invested in October 2022, still, guys, imagine still at 62 cents, they still in profit 549%. And some lucky guys who invested in Celestia in 2021, the price was on the seed round 1 cent. So ask yourself, if you sit on some altcoin, at current moment at 62 cents and you invested at 1 cent, your ROI profit 6,000% gains. So would you sell it or hold it, or you push the price higher? So this is about the logic, and many people trap it, and I all the time will repeat the same information. The fundamental absolutely doesn't matter. So unfortunately, guys, so K metrics kind of weird. This how the price looks like. This how the market capitalization looks like. So if we use the all period, right? What we can see here also, market data. No, not that one. Active revenue. Wow. So Celestia generate like $400. The same story like with this $200 active revenue. Chain fee. $200, guys. Come on. It's just a mind-blowing. You know, so what's $100 the profit? So you can trade just on a futures, generate more money than Celestia chain, you know, generate a revenue per day. Guys, it's kind of weird. It's absolutely weird revenue. Of course, here was some big generation of revenue like a day, but validator fees. Wow, just a craziness, So sad for the people who skipped the video, what I posted around here, February, I guess January, February, somewhere before, and you still believe in it. So we go into $100 because this is going to be the Solana killer. It's so sad. It's so sad, guys. So next time, it's good. It's tough lesson, but you will learn something. So now some whales accumulate, maybe some news. Oh, much upgrade. Nice. Here, this is a like a info, the potential hype for the bounce. I would be not surprised if the Celestia, some 24 November, 25 November, next week will be in the top gainers. I will be not surprised, just because of speculation. Because they will bring some marketing, they will pay some influencer, you know, and to push the price higher on that news, like trying to shield the news, like take a look, the matcha upgrade. We're ready to deliver something special for you, only for you. Just invest the money. To recover back, guys, we need to pump not 99%. We need to pump 8,900% gains. That's why I'm not believing that targets, but I'm more about this one here, like 5,000% gains. Personally, if I repeat again, if we'll see some crazy altcoin season, it's possible. If we count from now, it's not that much. It's 1,869%, for example. Here, I remind you the Tensor just in 2 days pumped it like this one. So why the Celestia can't? Just like speculation. So that's why, guys, yes, it sounds weird. Many people start calling this Celestia scam. I can't say it's a scam. It's just a basic token, basic high risky, useless token for speculation. So I don't want to touch this one because I don't like this seed round 1 cent price. So this is kind of weird, right? So monthly time frame based on the money power indicator. This was some money inflow. Weekly time frame, some money in, bounces. It looks like not a big bounces, but wow, it's nice one. So take a look how the money power, how the money in works. So here, 91%. 1, 2, 3 weeks accumulation, 91%. So in average, it could be, I don't know, like 52%. Nice. Here was also 1, 2 weeks in a row accumulation and 75%. It's good. On the chart, it looks like not a big deal. But guys, imagine you open the trade with the second leverage and you get like 140% profit. Take a look the week. You remember. And if you skip it, I highly recommend you go and check the video how to trade weeks. So most likely by end of this week, we will see it at 58 cents and 49. It's hard to say will we drop on the 23 cents or not, but 58 and 49 and 8, it's more than real to see. Even 38 and 2. Done. Wow, take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this was a green one. All right, so a lot of red candles down, straight. So now technically some accumulation. So it's good. It's good. So if you want to take a risk, you can buy it. So zones I showed you. Maybe I will take a trade at 38 with some leverage with stop losses. Weekly time frame, no accumulation yet with the money in. Nothing. ADZ direction. I can't say it's crazy accumulation. Something like this one. So last time it was here. 72% pump. Now we didn't touch the green line on the weekly, so hard to say. This is a direction indicator, no accumulation yet. On the weekly, daily, it's good. Daily, it's good. So the last time when we traded on that level where we now, it was the June 25, and we bounced it from that low approximately like 67%. So now we're in the same level. So I would be not surprised, for example, if we stop, let's say at 53 in average, and we're gonna pump even $2, $1, or even $1.50. I will be not surprised. That's why, guys, once again, Celestia, like any other token, so high risky assets. It's not a safe haven. It's not some special token. It's not a special token. It's just a basic speculation. You can't even compare any meme coin in Celestia, and you will see the absolutely the same picture. Right. Unfortunately, guys, the technology that doesn't drive this, and never did it before the price. Market smooth. This is capitulation. Bullish, weekly time frame, monthly time frame, still A-free. Of course, it's A-free because the guys who accumulate on the seed round and invest in that token on the seed round, they in profit 6,000% gains even now. Trade on. No data, weekly time frame. Sell, no take profit signal yet. Daily, at least the signal to sell was here in December 24. Wow, nice one. Imagine, on the Celestia, the sell signal was a year ago, and here was a take profit. Here, buy, bound, recommendation, close position, and every single bounces, it's recommendation, close position. So sad, guys. And the last indicator, guys, it's take profit. Technically, we so underrated, and that's why one more reason why do I believe, like speculation, Celestia will recover back to $2.04, $3.20. It's buy line, but lines are dynamic, guys. These lines can be, we have to track the line because this line can be like this one. Keep in mind. And to take profit line at current moment, today's November 22, 640, exit line 720. So my take is crazy scenarios here. This levels, this is the next trouble area, but you can add alert and track it. Alerts added so simple, you just click right on your screen, choose the take profit indicator, add the buy line for the Mel Wilder, take profit line, and wait to the targets. After that, you will see some notification like this one. There is a lot of notifications. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write this in comment what you think about Celestia. If you'd like to trade with my customer service I would show in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.